I understand the English very well, but I am unable to speak the English. What is matter is written in the books. I read the proper, I understand the proper, but when goes to speak the English, that time I stuck. This is a problem of the peoples. So then, if the people is want to solution these problems, so then people can watch this video and take some tips or take some solution of this problem. What is the problem when the people is start to learn the English, to speak the English? In initial days, the people is think in the mind, why I am not more fluent. In initial days, not possible to become a more fluent, because English is comes slowly. When the people is do practice more and more, then after is a possible to become a more fluent, because practice is makes man perfect. But people not thinking like that. People just want to become more fluent in initial days. So I think this is a galat method, I mean a wrong method to speak the English, to learn the English. English not our local language. In whole India, not a single state are have a English is local language. Every state have a local language, and different culture, different foods. Every people have a more fluent in our local language. But why not English? Because local language is people speak more and more. People are habitual to speak the local language, but people are not habitual to speak the English. Why? Because this is not our local language, this is a global language. And if the people is do practice, if the people is do good effort to improve the English, to learn the English, definitely people can speak the English, definitely people can learn the English, no doubt about it. But some people is thinking this is a very tough language. Not a tough language, yeah, just only a language. This is a very easy language. Every people can learn, every people can learn this language, every people can speak this language. But just start and try and do practice and speak more and more. This is a mantra to speak the English. Actually, I am also learner. Just I am making the video for my improving purpose. I have a thought in the mind. If I make the video, definitely I can capture what is my mistake. That's why I am making the video. I am uploading the video on my YouTube channel. So I think who people is learning the English, this is also good path, good rule to improve the spoken English. Because if the people is shoot the video, upload the video, means I think people have some confidence. So this is also good path. In initial days, every people faces problem and every people have a problem. But after some time, when the people use some applications or some content observe, then after some days, people is feel okay, the English is improving now and the people can speak the English. So these types of feelings automatics is comes in the mind. But after some days, not in initial days. So just become confident, have consistency, then after is possible to learn the English, speak the English. Some people have doubt in the mind that who people have a good knowledge about the English, have a good grammar rules, have a good structure, they people can speak English very fluently. No, not actually. Their books English is different, reading English is different, writing is a different, but speaking English is a different. Means if the people is do practice, then people is can speak English, otherwise not. Some people is thinking, the people demotivate, why I am not learn the English proper. I have a knowledge, I can read, I can write, but why not I speak? So I want to tell you, this is a spoken English some different. If you do practice, then you can speak and have a motivation himself and start and start. Sometimes what happen, the practice partner is not available to do practice. Atmosphere is not good. So this is a issue actually. If the people is learn the English, but they are not doing practice with the partners, with the peoples, so I think this is not a possible to become a good fluent, because if the people is do the practice with the partner, so this is a maintain the consistency, because people is choose a topic or different topics, and people is talking of the with the practice partner for a long time. So this is a better, but sometime in village area the people is people have no more interest to speak the English. If the anybody is want to speak the English, so the problem is create there. But I think okay, no problem. If the people is not want to speak the English, to create the atmosphere himself create. Just take the phone and record the video, and after recording the video, you watch the video and you observe what you doing mistake, what you did mistake, you improve your mistake. This is also good source, this is also good way if there is no atmosphere. But nowadays a lot of application are there. If the people is join the application, there are a lot of practice partner are available, and a lot of guidance are available, a lot of tutors are available according to applications. So I think this is a better of the people. So online classes, many online applications, many online classes is going on. If the people is join the online class of any applications, so this is also good source to improve the English and become fluent. Me also joined one application. The name application is Joe's Skills application. This is a very good application, and this application is provided the service 24 into 7, and a lot of practice partner are available there, and some practice partner is very good and very confident, very experienced, but some person are there beginners, some intermediate, means every level people are available here. If the people is connect to the peoples, so then people can do practice more and more, and learn the English properly, because practice is important while the people is learning the English. To join the any applications and do practice more and more. Okay, that's it in this video. I will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.